everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Chill Adventures. The episode you are about to watch was filmed a while ago, and it was the first time that I scored Birdqueef. What is Birdqueef, you ask? Well, Birdqueef is the beach in between the pier heads at Barrelton. The channel is unique in that there's an extra set of pier heads. So on the specific wind, waves make it into the channel. The only difference is between this spot and a normal spot is the wind has to be absolutely ridiculously strong and in a very specific direction. I guess when we filmed this video, this wasn't the plan. So this video kind of bounces around in the beginning a little bit. But spoiler alert, we score Birdqueef. 50-mile-an-hour winds. It wasn't even snow at this point. It was freezing rain. So, like when it hit you in the face, it wasn't like snow. It was ice shards falling from the sky at Mach 90. So I hope you all have a good day. I hope you're staying warm. I hope you're having fun and doing exactly what you want. Yeah. Woo!
Oh, you betcha. Oh, you betcha. Oh, you betcha.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Chill Adventures, and boy oh boy do we have one for you today. It is a legitimate code red. Okay, so it's not a legitimate code red, but it is a code red. It's right out of the east, but the wind is switching around. It was absolutely zero wind this morning at like between 3 and 5 when me and Laura had to go find a place to poop. And then it's only 8 o'clock right now, so we've been up again since like 7. And oh my gosh, can you feel this wind? We're going to the north side of Jabroni, so I don't even need to get on the highway. Aye! But the wind right now has a bunch of south in it. I mean, it's just crazy, but it's crazy. And then so tomorrow and Monday, really the next couple days is supposed to be good, but right now it's just crazy wind. A lot of wind, huge wind. Maybe I'll be able to go back and get one. But around 1 there was some 15 foot, between 13 and 15 foot readings. I don't know. I mean, it might be too heavy of a wind. The board will get ripped out of your hands, but we're out there. I don't know if we're gonna surf or not, but yeah. Oh my god, terrible.
Oh, the wind dies down dramatically. Like,
Yeah.
by noon.
Yeah, if you watch this on like a radar, it's spinning right. Just judging by the wind alone, yeah.
has the potential to be the most gnarly shit I've ever seen at the lake right now. It's not a nice beach day. Look at it. Holy shit. Oh my goodness gracious. Oi, oi, oi. I don't know if there's much point in even looking at it, really. It's not even, it doesn't even look like a lake. Waste of footage. Okay, so I came to one of the other spots down in Jabroni Town to try to get some Wi-Fi. But Josh South is headed north. So I'm gonna go back up to Barrelton. We might try to surf Birdqueef today. It's bigger than it was the other day for Birdqueef. I made a vlog, but Birdqueef didn't go. So maybe this is a Birdqueef vlog. I don't know. It is a lot warmer. So like getting in the water when it's this crazy, being warmer, it's easier to do. But yeah, we're out there. First we have to go to El Camo, and then we'll pass Barrelton, and then we will reach Birdqueef. Just lake surfing around town. You drive, I don't know, an hour just around. Not an hour back and forth, but like collectively an hour. I guess if we were in California, it would have been an hour also, and we would have gone the same distance. The only difference would have been we would have sat in traffic. You know what I'm saying? A good indication of what it's doing inside of Birdqueef. And also the other day when it was big out of the west, I mean, I think the best wave was literally inside of the channel, not at one of the channel beaches. Not much here yet. Going. Ooh. It looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna go out. Oh my word. So, Birdqueef is going off, legitimately. It is super windy still, so I kind of moved back down the street a little bit behind the Coast Guard station so I can get the board off without having to fly away. But there are some big ones, and it should be a lot of fun, but I'm gonna get ready. Oh yeah, and I'm going to use the GoPro with no sound or screen because I don't know what's gonna happen out there, and could be kind of crazy.
still out there.
Bye.
So that was the first time we have scored Birdqueef ever. And me and Josh South, it was, I mean, you saw it. That was the most, I don't want to say epic, but definitely the most gnarly session that I've ever had. Look at the sand. Holy shit.
Back here at the dog's third favorite park. I like this park because it's right around the corner, and it's in this huge, it's underneath the sand dune, so obviously, like, you can hear the wind, you can see the trees just absolutely bending over, like your mom. But it's not windy here. Bear, come over here. So yeah, I don't know exactly after I pick up Bear's poop. I think gonna go take a Planet Fitness shower. Maybe put out a video. This is the shitty thing about days like this, because there's absolutely no way that my stuff is gonna dry out. Well, I don't want to say that, but I can't run the heater for the length of time that it's gonna take to dry those wetsuits out. But luckily tomorrow is going to be warmer-ish. We will see. Holy moly, man. Absolutely crazy. Not to mention the wind is going to shift back to the north, no, from the south later today. So it could be, I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I think could be headbanger day, because the other side road is still closed. I think we're gonna get everything situated in the van, and we're gonna get everything situated in the van. Possibly do one load of laundry, and then go take a shower, and then I don't know. Bear, come here. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. Find a place to chill adventures. You know what I'm saying? Today, Josh South and Chill absolutely killed Birdqueef in between the arms at Barrelton. You know what I'm saying? But the vlog isn't over. Today's vlog is not over. I don't know what's gonna happen next. It hasn't been a very long one. I know that. And yeah, I don't know why that has anything to do with anything. We are out here. Know what I'm saying? You betcha. Here we go. So we are at Planet Fitness, as you can see, and it is still freaking super windy out. I'm not gonna be working out today like I did yesterday. I'm just gonna take a shower quick and come back. I did, however, find some new outlets at one of the Walmarts around, and so I could try that out. And then also, I don't know where we're gonna stay tonight, but it's not like it's a hard decision. Only a couple places around here. But Laura is off tomorrow, so I think maybe we'll extend this vlog into tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see how I feel after this. I ended up working out a little bit. Just a quick stop to get a box of water gallon of water for the dogs. Just helping Tony and his wife jumpstart their car. So a couple things. Josh South just sent me a screenshot of Birdqueef, and we possibly could have completely blew it, in the sense that it looks ridiculously clean. The wind isn't blowing 7 billion miles an hour, and it's the same size. Just to make myself feel better, I'm gonna say it like this. Knowing what we caught while we were out there in those conditions, it's got to translate into us being able to go out there, like right now, if that was the case, and absolutely shred. But that's not the case, because we aren't out there, and we went out there earlier today. But I'm gonna go poop at Meyer real quick, and the dogs have already pooped. And I've honestly never seen anyone leave their cart out. But like, there's a cart right there, there's a cart right there. What the hell's wrong with people? All right, I'm going to poop